Yeah man, Wagwan people, welcome back to another great video with a boy Caribbean Boys cooking. So we are waiting on the drive, you know. Should about today again. Rasta there with the common fowl.
I want to get them food tied up together and put them in a vehicle because I don't want to run because they love running.
You know, fowl brother.
Because this man have me whole week me have him tie up in a rope. And this man him boss me, if I run the dog, I know him day come. Yeah man, so.
And this is what I jump up on the fire.
Yeah man,
and a crow
last video. I jump up on the fire. I'm saying ready. So today I film day. Yeah man, we get them sort out today.
I send them go meet the maker today. Yes guys, them there. Crab happy. On our upcoming video. Them there. Upcoming video with Chef Gear in Hilton Hotel. Yeah man, so today a turmeric rice. I go fry the common fowl and cook them down. Many persons call it frigassee. And we are going to do some garlic mashed potato. Same way with a little vegetable on the side. And I go add some purple cabbage, lettuce and tomato. So I'm just going to add a contrast to the vegetable that I use today. Yeah man, so stay tuned, we are waiting for the drive. You know, so when the drive come, we are going to head out, pick up Chrissy, come and bring them. It's not each of them.
Hey guys, big up, brother.
Guys, what here today?
That's what you do, man. Big up, man. Come on, Folw.
Another great weekend. Come on, Folw. And turmeric rice. And yeah, we're not out again. One more week for them. Yeah. Stay tuned till we reach for the surface.
Yeah guys, we are leaving out now. Yeah, boss no. Rasta there.
Up, out, we are leaving out now for go up on the river. Look rainy but I don't know, we have a canvas. Prepare, well prepared for this week. So we can't get wet. And we canvas. Rain or shine, Caribbean vibes we out. Boom.
Alright, roast them run about there right nice. Another great one, people. Rain start fall pretty early nowadays, but you know, I choose to shoot outdoor content.
I go maroon.
At the end of the idea, rain or shine, you know, we have to go out the same way.
Yes, man.
Place is full of clear water. Bro, they want to fix you out, could they?
No good road, nothing about.
Okay. Okay guys, start it.
No good road.
They're less than a minute away from there.
Engage.
Guys, see team there. Yeah, coming in big house.
Morning guys, morning.
Morning. Chris there. That one, so we're ready. Pick up and a move now. Yeah, we're ready. Chrissy. Hi. Watch out. I'm here. Oh yeah, the blush.
Here is them across.
Take on the time. Yeah, man. Give me a lemon cross. Yo, watch yourself, Rasta, you're weak, man.
Come back round.
Bring a go, son of. Oh, yes, the part was super part. Rasta is too much pork, man.
I want to look at river water today. Don't stop my body, guys. It's natural water, yeah. I feel all about today. Not leaving just so.
Come on, spray up. Watch out this one. Bring it. Come to you.
Yes, peeps, so I get the firewood them chop up. Yeah.
I feel like you wet, man. That green.
Come on, a piece of green.
You don't worry about them pot.
I get the firewood them sort out. Kick off the bar. Yes, peeps, it's another great day again. On the river. Yeah.
So
You
guys,
can see. I'm going to watch the process till we start. Yeah. Please, I would agree. We're going to look so on dry wood.
so my nephew is out of the vlog this week, guys, unfortunately, because him have exam. So I mean, education is very important. So you know, exam come first, school come first. So I have to monitor the vlog same time and I cook same time. Actually, I tie up the canvas, you know what I mean? Because we don't know when the rain will come. When the rain come down, we have to run to do things. So we have to prepare before the rain comes.
Yes, no, we get the canvas tie up. The good look still the sun out, but still we still have to have. You know what a rain can come down. Alright. What are we going to do?
What are we going to do? Climb a tree.
Remember say fire the years ago.
But we always can shoot the fire. We always can shoot the fire.
No, but you don't get the fire tree or something.
What are we going to do? Hey, you are the behind the camera. You get the phone and slaughter, you know. And you cut off and skin them. Because we're not about to pick them. We'll take them out of their clothes. So go and watch the progress. You get them sorted.
Come. Yes, Marina, we're doing work. Come and do some work so you want to stay behind the camera.
To be here, guys.
Yes, guys. Take out the pot now. Start the bar.
And tall man. Chop up stick.
Yeah. You afraid of the cameraman?
And that I'm afraid of what I have.
You afraid of the phone? So you go eat the phone and you're afraid of the phone?
Me no want none.
What have you?
Rice alone.
Here, that's that ear prod.
Don't want to get my clothes blood up, you know.
But it's a skinny phone.
You remember say me I go do murder today and go wear white. Like me I go play cricket. So normally some people with hot water and the food and eat yesterday. Normally some people with hot water and picking. Me no in picking. Normally when me I cook common phone, I strip them out of their clothes. Completely. Strip them out of their clothes. Oh. That's the boy I know now.
The people, if I first someone has to come on for strip, a stripper out and skin. Yeah.
So yes guys, I get the garlic. Cut up the garlic. Season up my chicken well nice. 1 Scotch bonnet. Yeah man guys, so I get 2 cloves of garlic. Look the garlic powder same way. Yeah man, it's a white fowl, you know, dog give me the cabin fowl, it's the Maggi all purpose, so look at Maggi all purpose. Yeah man, look at jerk. I get to season up my chicken, you know, that's my white fowl. And then my common fowl. So guys, so I'm going to rub it in, you know.
Rub in the season of white fowl.
Yeah man, a white fowl me I deal with today. Dog and tall man and in common fowl.
So you know I'll get the common fowl and wash off.
You can go and soak, you know.
Get peeps, I get the common fowl cut up. This is where I do fry and cook down common fowl. I get it cut up, the season up and let me make it go and marinate. Meanwhile, boss lady I get the fire ketchup. Fowl carb, salted. Bring some cut, season can go down there. Yes. Common fowl for dinner today. So we use best just chicken for who not eat common fowl. Now we eat common fowl for them. So here peeps, so get the common fowl wash off in some vinegar. So if you don't have vinegar you can use sour lime or lime. Sour orange or lime. Cut the rawness on the common fowl.
Common fowl for days for the people. Hey, they're pretty, you know.
Can't wait to get into this common fowl.
I'm going to dash my chicken gizzard in a better.
Alright, you're clean out here. Get it clean up for your car. You love your gizzard.
Man, that's your best part in our chicken, bro, the gizzard.
The gizzard. The next one, let me dash you. Yeah, peeps, you get the common fowl seasoning. I put a piece of thyme, half a pepper, 2 stalks of scallion, half a onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. Some crushed pimento seed. Good old look neat matter. Get in some Maggi chicken season. A little meat season. Maggi all purpose. Get in some good old garlic powder. I'm going to rub it in now. Rub in the season. Oh, I can smell the flavor already, you know. I'm going to start cooking it. I'm taking them on the season. Meat in them, man. With a good old ground season, you know. And taste the flavor before the food ready, you know. Yeah, man. Rub in the season them night. Good old common fowl. Yeah, peeps, so you have enough of it on the sun there. Common fowl with turmeric rice. And best just fried chicken same way. Potato salad. And some nice vegetable. Yeah, yeah peeps. You can see oil get warm up and hot up and so. We'll get the
Guys, right now me other man with dog them one thing man. I pay money man them invite for the vlog. I don't know what I'm to you man them.
Woman them shy out, you know what I'm to you.
I don't know what I'm to you man them. I invite pay man. You wanna invite some woman for the vlog.
Ladies, we can roll out ladies whenever. We can roll out. We need some ladies and the vlog. Please lady, we're asking you. We need some ladies and the vlog. Anybody, any ladies want to come, you can come. We need some ladies and the vlog.
I want to never top invite this bugger man for the channel brother. Like a man fest thing bro.
It's not a man fest, but the ladies they never share them in front of them now, but we're not nothing wrong. We just want some ladies on the vlog.
Yeah man, now that the oil hot, let's see how to fry the chicken. So now take off the season. Reason being, now all the season burn up in the oil. Come on, full of flavor, a lot of herbs and spice. Look for the leg them guys, look for the leg. Little. Nature fold them and now put some more in them, I want to put overcrowded. We also have some garlic in the oil. Help it enhance the flavor of fold, help it tenderize the fold and reduce the rawness with a little piece of green pepper. Yes guys, so I'm gonna fry the white fowl, crispy and Nadisha. Not everybody love common fowl. Some people love common fowl, some don't. But me and dog, we don't have a problem eating common fowl. Common fowl is all about nature.
This is fowl.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Natural.
I can't see my bro pass through.
Yeah man, you don't know.
Yeah man.
Big
Big
up,
respect
dog.
man.
Listen
Anna.
yourself, bro. Yeah,
Yeah.
Carbon vibes,
Yeah.
real cooking.
Yeah man, we're
Tall
out man.
one, up.
Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah man, tall man, a blow fire.
Guys, you see the behind the scene, the amount of work we put in just to give you the content.
Yes.
Yeah, man, it take a lot of work, take a lot of dedication, you know. Take a lot of guts. Like first thing, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you come and pull them, and you can see fire get up on the 2 pot them. Yeah man.
Kinda give a little fight because of the rain that falls for a couple of days.
We do kind of wet so.
Cold.
You have to wait till the fire blaze up and catch up on the wood them and get some cold, some heat up. Fire go and come because the wood them cold. So want some lady to warm up the wood them. Yeah man, see the wood them start warm up and put fire blaze up and out. Put some bamboo in there so the bamboo can a push it. The bamboo blaze the fire more faster. I guess I would them cool.
Check out the chicken, add in the pressure cooker. And for the brown enough. It's a nice golden color. Them nice golden color, guys. Add some more turmeric. Set them so they don't have enough space. Yeah guys, so I'm going to saute some scallion and onion. Just a little bit. So after sauteing for a minute, I'm going to actually add in the chicken. Add just a little bit of water in it. Yeah, so I fry them and cook them down, you know. The right word is frigassee, but in Jamaica we call it fry and cook down, you know what I mean? Yeah. So we call crispy them not really eat the common food. You know. Can't force people to eat what they don't want to eat, guys. One thing. Or little carrots. Just a little piece of Scotch bonnet pepper, you know. Add a little spice to it. Not too much. Not everyone love the spice either. Yeah, we add just a little bit of pimento seed, a little bit of cracked ginger. We add just a little bit of soy sauce, just to add a little color. I want meat white. Soy sauce change the color a little bit of the water. So from the soy sauce change, then you won't have that white meat. Yeah man, tasting good already. You can actually taste the herbs and spice in a hit, which is good. So we add a little bit of fresh thyme in a hit. Yeah. Yeah, so I add a little water in the common fold. Just a little bit to cover it. So we are going to pressure it, so we add some pimento seed in it. Yeah. Yeah, so I add a little bit of ginger, you know. Then to add flavor, you know. Just enough water to cover the meat. Not too much, because even though a common fold, it tends to be tough, but we want to pressure it and give it space and then actually check back on it. We don't want to pressure it and then you have too much water. Eventually it cook and too much water still in a hit. Yes, so we are adding some tomato, bell pepper, Irish potato. Allow them to cook, and we are going to enhance the flavor with a little fish and meat stock. You know, otherwise fish and meat sauce.
Yes, people, you can hear it come on phone, pressure cooker, make it warm up. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so I also got add a little honey. And me personally, I'm promoting healthy living. Yeah. So we're eating healthy. Always try to eat healthy. And we add just a little bit of tomato ketchup. So we are going to allow this to cook, you know. Dry down a little bit. Mother than say simmer down, you know.
Yeah.
Hold on, man. I'm not cold nothing for now, man. You know, but hold on, brother.
Hot in the boy. Yeah, I ain't seen a cook yet, you know, so yo, and it tastes so nice. What about when it cook? You understand, brother?
Really?
Oh my God. Tall man. Yeah,
respect,
man. Cool, huh? Boss lady. Respect.
Chill out.
Yeah, man. Chilling, huh? You work cool, yeah?
Feel me fall.
I don't know no difference in the part, but dogs are here one tough.
Oh, a dog, yo. Guys, a dog buy the 2 for them, so me can't, so no court me not hit, but feel me fall tough, brother. Are you buy the 4 them, bro?
Buy one to myself first, you say buy one more.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
So I feel me one tough.
Yeah, cause I am last come.
So how you know? How you know? Say I feel me one tough. How you know which one of them I feel me? How you know which one of them? Mark them. And the 2 of them skin off.
You mark them same way.
Let me check the chicken head them.
The one leg bigger one.
Yeah.
Let me
One leg smaller.
check the chicken head.
One leg smaller.
Yeah, chicken neck.
Yo.
Yeah, man, one leg smaller.
Okay.
For real. Salt out.
You don't want no more pressure, you know?
No, man, you don't let them tougher. See there. I saw from that good.
Because guess what? By the time you start cooking, you start adding it.
This one.
Alright. When I fall a 15-year-old and one a 3-year-old.
That's the problem.
Where's the time man when I'm 15-year-old?
No dog man, dog older than me, I have a dog one.
The dog, you know trying to tough on your dog, man.
You see it, man.
Hey Chrissy, you say you don't eat common fowl?
No, I don't eat common fowl.
Hey, it's capital fowl?
Yeah, the capital one.
Why you don't eat
The
common fowl?
common fowl too tough, you know, see the look. I like
My
that.
best fowl, girl. No fertilizer, natural fowl.
Natural fowl, yeah?
They want to blow it up for by
Rooster.
6 weeks, they might take years already.
Rooster.
They know, say, yeah, natural fowl, you know?
Run up and down
Yeah,
the door,
man.
you understand?
Yeah.
You say come, you don't eat common fowl?
Yeah, common fowl, me I eat today.
I mean, no capital
natural.
fowl.
Hear that?
Well, so me alone, I deal with the capital one.
You
then.
can try, man.
Me eat it, you know, me taste it already, you know, but it just tough and the bone, but me not fool around. Me rather my chicken when me grow up and use, you know?
No,
man,
no.
I'm used to that chicken.
Oh, this is chicken alright.
Yeah, right. I just like they make them.
Yeah. 6 week chicken. 6 week chicken. And you're ready.
What about years chicken? Years.
Well,
How long it take to grow?
people can taste a little piece side, but that's it.
Yeah, boys, they say just a little piece.
Just a little piece and a
I
little
ain't
piece.
taste one little piece, I ain't taste one little piece until it's done.
Okay guys, I'm just here to tell you that common fall is the best. White fall, this 6 week thing, I don't believe in it. Common fall, natural, backyard growing. From my granny days, that's where I come from. So big up my granny. Always having corn, they run a back a throat for common fall, you know? Right? So I big up my granny.
Yes, Rasta, we have this.
Yeah man, come on fall to the world. They look how fast growing fall and we can't bother with them. But you still have to work with them because I flow. Yeah. Big up on yourself. Peeps.
Yeah, so I add just a little piece of butter, like a spoon of butter. You know, and that will help enhance the flavor. So I allow it to dry down just a little bit more. Yeah. So that a crispy dinner. A little cooking oil. Yeah, we add a little bit of salt. And water. Just the paste. We add just a little bit of scallion and beat up. And I wash the Irish them, so I'm just cut them up in a round cube. Allow them to boil. Just make the garlic mashed potato with cream sauce, you know. That's this a bash I eat out of today?
Yes man, yes, me carry.
Yeah man, I know man.
Come on, fall man. Get a big today now.
I just three pimento seed in it.
The team, and then I chop in this.
I'm going to cover and make it boil up and cook stuff. Alright.
Yes, people, so I get the turmeric shred to put on the rice. As you can see, come on fall the land. So we just get the common fall season up. Bones to white chicken seed done cook already, I will put on the potato salad. So I'm gonna get the turmeric shred to go in the rice.
Yeah guys, and another one, all courtesy of Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. You know, I don't want to get up every day and I cook the same thing with every typical Jamaican I cook. So I always dig deep in my brain to come up with great content. You know what I mean? So you guys can relate to them.
Nice.
Turmeric rice, you know what I mean? Another great one. Like maybe I first some person I go see it, you know. So you know say turmeric I actually hit and use and make curry. So when I want to use the natural, the raw powder, we want to use the turmeric. We don't preserve it, you know, add it to it. That's just natural turmeric. Yeah.
Up, up.
One more hit again, man. Caribbean Vibes.
Okay.
Out there. Turmeric rice. Yeah, bro, G.
Yeah, so see it. Jerry and never overproof, so we are going to enhance the flavor there. Come on forward with just a little drink white overproof rum, you know? Yeah. See there? Jamaica best. Yeah, so now I go saute the garlic, goes in some butter. Yeah, melt out the butter. Just gonna add it to the mashed potato.
You can see fire blaze on there, come on phone. Bullet of fire on there, come on phone, peeps.
I saute it for about a minute just to get the garlic cooked and the butter to be melted out. Yeah, so see it there now. That one, so it's all about mashed potato time, guys. Now we're adding the garlic butter, you know.
Right.
Yeah, so we add some butter. Also some cream sauce. You smell that? You smell the cream, boy?
Yeah.
We're just massaging the cream along with the butter into the mashed potato. We're going to add some green part of the scallion for flavor. Also some bell pepper, just chop up it fine, and all of these are optional. Alright, we'll add a little black pepper. Black pepper moves. Yeah, and just a little pinch of salt, guys. Just a little pinch, because remember that the butter help it enhance the flavor of the bit. The butter have salt in it. So you don't want to overpower the mashed potato with salt. Oh, you want to taste it? Come in, boy. You want to be taste it.
Looking really creamy.
And the thing about the cream sauce, it helps to give the mashed potato a creamy flavor to it.
God.
Thumbs up, guys. Yeah, very nice.
But taste some and eat it yet.
Yeah.
So I'm just finished whisking the ingredients in it. So it actually finished anyway. You can see it all mashed it out. Yeah.
I'm adding some salt in the rice. A little Maggi all purpose. A piece of butter. You're getting 2 stalks of scallion, piece of bell pepper, and green pepper, and piece of thyme. Half an onion. And you're getting the turmeric. One more hit again. Turmeric rice. Oh my word. Caribbean vibes to the flipping world. Yes, man. Yeah, we'll stir it now and leave it to boil. When it start boil up, we wash the rice and put in. You see, so we come on Folw. You put a Irish, you put a chocho, you put a half a bell pepper, piece of thyme, half a tomato, 1 carrot, and a half an onion, and a little piece of pepper. I'm adding some meat, fish and meat sauce. Watch come on Folw, people. Oh, I can't wait to get in one leg. Oh my world. Watch there.
Not easy.
I'm going up now. But a white fall, me right, you know.
Wow, you know, I get no white fall today.
You know, a white fall, me are very quick today.
Adding a little tomato ketchup in it. Yeah. Adding a little piece of butter in it to enhance the flavor. After time man say we have to eat healthy, so we go add in a little honey. Right. Oh my word. Can't wait to bite in one like that. Cheese and peas. Taste the flavor. Tell you.
Guys, me think twice, you know, me decide whether or not me feel
Sweet,
come on forward
yeah,
or
man.
what.
Don't think twice, man. Don't think twice. Come on.
Really good and the color.
Yes, man.
Let's see what can go on later still.
So literally you know go eat two separate meat. Remember say you say you want white fall, so you provide food for you, your white fall. So then stick to your white fall.
Yeah.
So you want me to stick to my white? Alright then, let's stick to my white fall then.
No man, I can't take a little piece of I come on for me. Nice. Yes, peeps. What a boil up and also we're getting rice. Let's see time run out on the car. Come on, for God, I'm going to expect to get ready. We cook earlier, but we're going to come on for it. Beautiful for the rice, man. Yes, peeps. I get the turmeric rice. Stir it up. Watch your color, man. Watch your flavor. Oh my word. Watch pretty rice. Eat a stir. Then you come up here and make it one. Fire blaze, peeps. Yes, peeps. Look how rice pretty. Turmeric rice, oh my word. Watch pretty color rice, man. One more hit again, no peeps. Oh my word. Turmeric rice to the world. Much color. As you can see, I wait up the plastic bag. I'm going to put it on top of the bag. As I tell you all the while, if you don't have no plastic bag, you can use a piece of fine paper to steam the rice. Yes, man, we get the rice steam. Yes, pretty rice are steamed now. I'll come up here now. So we get the cabbage shred. Purple cabbage we work with this morning. Sliced tomato and lettuce. Yeah man, boss lady almost laying on job, so I want to miss stall man. Alright, we get the cabbage finished cut up. Cut it. I will add it in a bowl. Oh man, what a beautiful color man. Purple cabbage.
So basically guys, me choose to use the purple cabbage and the lettuce along with the tomato. So what that does now, that is going to add a color contrast when it come on to color. Yeah.
Yes, it's funny. I will not drop.
But want to pick out this video.
Tag, here, Ted, go to pop down. You have to spring funny man, go all the way this time, just like camera come.
My God, bro!
inside, I never deep.
Oh my God.
Yeah, if you can jump
Bro,
up.
yeah. You done, no? Caribbean vibes cooking.
Oh, yeah.
You know, on the blog, you see? What's up? Tall man, best of yourself, bro. Love the cooking. Rasta. All of my life. Turmeric rice.
Caribbean vibes to the world.
Caribbean vibes to the world, yo.
I see your beard, Nadisha. What you do? What kind of sap? Yeah, sap. You think I saw? You think I saw a sap, boy? Yeah, sap. Eh? Eh? A soft sap that them on.
Soft sap.
Eh.
Tell them. On the blog, yeah, them block up.
Ever. Yeah, man. You don't say, bro.
You guys, look at the color.
Yes, peeps.
Look at the contrast in color.
Yeah, man, I get the vegetable sort out. Beautiful color. You see rice for steam. You want me to get the veg sort out? You want the tea in the water, get them side wet up. Yes, peeps. You can smell the turmeric flavor coming out of the rice. Oh my word! Watch pretty rice, man. Pretty color. One more hit again, peeps. Oh my word! Don't worry, man. It's all ready, man. Ship soon land, man. Ship soon come aboard.
Yo guys, rice pretty, you know. Can't wait to get on rice and chicken and vegetable. Look at vegetable, look, guys. Vegetable have put up well. Huh?
Taste rice. Hi, man. One of the best. One of the best, bro, G.
Guys, I mean, I think about copywriting my content them because like some of the content them, yeah, 95% of my content, you know, like me are the first person where me think put them out some. Like more, I think we need to copyright my content them
Yes,
when it
man.
come on to saving my brand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Real, man. Caribbean vibes. Yes, peeps. Moment has finally arrived. Turmeric rice. Ready. So I'm going to show you what the food is about. Watch your rice, pretty peeps. Yes, peeps, I get the food I'm share out. I should finally land. Smell the flavor of the turmeric. So I'm gonna say one of the best rice. And say good for you. Corona.
Corona done with already, brother. We are talking about Corona.
Yes, it's still not going to
Which Corona? What about Corona?
People wear masks same way. People still have wear masks. People don't wear masks. Certain places have to wear masks, don't it? Watch out, I might plate this. Nah, we still have a back to the car with people there. So we have to make sure say people them get them things sorted. Yeah, when it comes to the meat part, tall man have to share the part because you say.
Well, you say Nadish, you never want to come on for, right? Nadish, I bought for the chicken breast. Breast.
I make one.
Keep it in there.
Pretty man. Colorful.
Chicken. So yes guys, taste right, I want to see.
Thank you.
First made too much rice.
Come and catch Chrissy.
Rice nice. Yeah man.
Yes, guys, I'm gonna try the food. It's looking really delicious. Can't wait.
I'll make your sister catch her the phone. Go somewhere clear. And I catch no to try food yet?
So guys, dinner is served. I'm going to begin.
Because
Yes,
if I make
guys.
Chrissy bring a catch ready. And I get some more Chrissy.
This is the mashed potato, the garlic salad.
With the food. With the food.
It's nice. This is the turmeric rice. You can see the turmeric in it, guys. First time eating it. Try it now. Yeah, I like it. Thumbs up. It's nice.
Fish eye one there.
Food tastes nice. Guys, the food tastes really good. I love the mashed potato. Nice. And the turmeric nice. Really good. You guys should try it.
Breeder.
I have to make my things.
Bless the Lord. Look at me. Heart of love, brother. Heart of love.
Much color, man.
Oh my God. This we call food. This we call common fall. Salad. Colored cabbage. Lettuce and all them things. You see it? And we have turmeric rice. You know? Nice meal this, you know? Yo, man, I tell you, say, yo. Caribbean cooking. And the real cook for life. Tall man, bless up yourself. Dainton, manners and respect. Boss lady, you're not the best.
Yeah, Boji.
I see princess over here. Yeah,
Yes,
boss. I want boss lady to see me, you know. Big woman behind the scene, you know.
Yes,
Heart
sir.
of love. Yes, man. Yo, turmeric rice. Nice. First ever. Me eat carrot rice before, but the turmeric rice, one of the best ever, yo. Believe in me. Dainton have done well.
Yes, man.
Time have done well. Caribbean vibes, cooking, vlog, and we're best. We go far,
Yes, sir.
worldwide. Heart of love. Hold on, man.
Blessings. Yes, peeps. I'm getting a turmeric rice. I tell you, first time eating turmeric rice. Nice.
First time for me too.
But it's not the first time it come on fold, but it come on fold. I tell you, brother.
Nice boy.
All courtesy of Caribbean vibes cooking.
Small plate can't hold me. Yeah, man.
They can, you know, get none.
Maybe
Brother,
say,
no.
I ain't get leg. I ain't get leg. I want to show them all the gear white up. Oh my God.
I've named thing all looking good.
Yes. Caribbean vibes cooking.
Caribbean vibes cooking.
Yes, man.
I hate that.
I'm a second to last get and see there. I refill me a look. Trust me.
That's what you have to refill, brother. That's what you have to refill. I see them, I not even eat yet.
So, how you get refood? I don't eat them.
Come check the pot there.
My
Sam.
God, watch out, more people are coming here.
Eh?
Oh, yeah. Best.
Yo, look for Nadisha.
Come check the pot there.
But it's
Roger,
good.
Roger.
But you play, guys.
Clean. You know, I'm the first one getting on song. I see them. Me first get, so you say go. You don't, I know.
Come on, for the best.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Watch out.
Heart of love. Watch out. Yo, me not see you eat chicken, but if it come on for a theme thing that.
Real.
Watch out. Watch your rest down. Your wife Mother Jane. Go on peace. Your wife Mother Jane, show on peace.
Peeps, we need to do yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Guys, food turned out good today. Beautiful weather. We think the rain that go fall, but the rain never really actually fall. So, you know, we are prepared ahead of time.
Yeah.
Come on, fall. Turmeric rice. Mashed potato with cream sauce. Awesome. Another great banger again. You know, we keep on doing the thing different from the average. That's what's gonna make Caribbean vibes cooking outstanding. That's what's gonna make us stand out. You know, in our life, have to be different. You know, cause if me come and me I do what everybody I do. To me, me not gonna get the support when me I get Because people go say everybody I do the same thing.
Yeah.
So me want keep on do my thing different, which is good. And thanks to the support for everybody we keep on shove towards Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. The love what I pour out is amazing. Really love that. Yeah man, I don't know what to do man. Like, comment and share man, and subscribe man. Yeah man.
Yeah man, the team boss lady.
Yeah man, out now next Bama Jaffa again, you know.
DJ Nesta
Not to no lie.
and the team.
Who watch this video need to be here one of these Sundays. Not to no lie. Food up.
Yeah.
Watching the video, you need to come here.
Yeah.
Good food. Good food. Good
It's a chill.
Good food. Love it, bro. Now continue. Who as necessary, who out there need to be here. One of the best ever.
Sheldon, my bro.
If I'm second place, yeah. I think I lie me out there. Second place, first one shine. Nice. Second one.
Yeah.
My God! Boy, buddy!
Yes, come.
How shall I get 2 plates?
Come on, boy, jumping on me teeth.
Chrissy.
Food nice.
Brina, you shy one? That's my team. I don't know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Caribbean Vibes to you well.
Yeah, females them a go shower you know. Come you good? Water cool.
Nah, that romance so happy. Run me warm up. Rina, stop now. Rina.
How was dinner?
It was wonderful. I love the mashed potato. We love the mashed potato. Come on, Paul, guys. Vegetable and the turmeric rice. Yeah. First time eating the turmeric rice. It was lovely, I'm not lying. But my favorite was the mashed potato, the garlic mashed potato.
With the cream sauce.
The cream sauce, yeah. Thumbs up, yeah. Wonderful.
Brina, your favorite?
Favorite time is mashed potato.
Okay, I like that. Alright, so that's another plus. That's another plus what we are gonna do back over again, right? Chrissy.
Yes. My favorite was the turmeric rice with the regular white fowl. You know what that go. I can't lift up my white fowl. I enjoy. I love the mashed potato. I love it. I not be biased. I enjoy it. And the what the thing name? The cream sauce. The cream sauce give it that taste that I like. You know them restaurant where you're going to dine.
Fine dining stuff.
Fine dining stuff, so yeah.
You actually have a contrast of the garlic along with the butter and the cream sauce. Yeah.
Along with don't forget the scallion. It was really nice, I enjoyed it. Marsha, pick out the command forward.
Yes, peeps. Me is not a fan of mashed potato, but me I tell you. Boom. Command Fall was my favorite. And the turmeric rice to the world. Yeah man, one more eat again man, Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog.
You know, yeah, for real, tell you the truth, honestly, the mashed potato was so delicious. You know, I mean, one top class restaurant to eat, you know, like top man, you're done it.
Yeah man, a Caribbean Vibes restaurant today
Caribbean
man.
Vibes cooking restaurant, man. Believe me,
Yes,
the
man.
best ever, yo, believe me. Turmeric rice, up. Come on, Fall. Yeah, you need to be here, peeps. You need to be here. You need to be here.
Yeah, my best part, my best and worst. My best part was the second rose. My worst part was the third rose. I didn't get another third one.
Alright, to be honest, first time here, always watching the video. The first time, come call me and say you need to come live the video. Always watch it but not here live. But being here live, it was a success for me because tasting the food, natural ingredients, you can taste the onion, the scallion, the pepper, the thyme, everything well proper. So trust me, you people watching this video, you need to come here. So I guess I'm going to tell the blogger, you need to put up the next date. Push part now early, that means some people can drive out and come enjoy. Because trust me, it was a good time.
Worldwide.
Yeah man, out again, you know, one more big one, jump again, you know, man, turmeric rice. I'm not telling you, mashed potato, nice. Yeah man, we enjoy. Yeah man, good look.
In Capital
And
Fall.
next week guys, it's gonna be another great video. We have Chef Gary coming through from Hilton Hotel. So I'm so excited for that vlog. So just stay tuned. You know, Caribbean vibes. You never know where we go there. Maybe we're there in a community. You know, just keep on supporting the channel. And the outlook for the channel is really good. It's getting so much love. Like when we touch out there in the street now, like my head as swell, guys like me, people Caribbean vibes cooking, you know, that means so much to me, because like posting the content from COVID, like we never did even expect this amount of love, never expect this amount of support from people, you know. So we just go on easy. Rasta there.
Yes man, Caribbean vibes to the world. I would say like, share, comment and subscribe. Yes, with Big Bad Caribbean vibes. Boom. See you in the next video.